wanna go to Q&A from the followers.
Ooh, yes. I'm excited for this. I want to see what people are asking. Thank you so much for writing in questions, by the way, everyone. It's always nice to like interact with people, you know, on live or through Q&A.
So I have a lot of questions. The biggest paid ever job in New York.
Oh, well, I haven't had it. Well, okay, I had the hourglass job, which was pretty good. But stay tuned, because it's New York Fashion Week, so something big will come. I've only been here for a month and a half, 2 months, so I had
It's
some
already
jobs.
so good, yeah.
Yeah, you know. I'll let you know. I'll get back to you on that.
Yes. Okay. I'll wait for that. Okay, Dana.
Yeah.
The next time I come to New York or like anywhere else.
I'll buy you dinner.
Thank you so much. Okay, this is a good question.
Okay.
Your first impression to me, Pat Gouw.
Oh
Your
my god.
first impression to Pat Gouw.
You are like a firecracker. But in like such a fun way. And I feel like whenever you tell a story, I don't know what you're gonna say next. Like every story is like, wow. But I love that about you. You're so fun to be around, and I like. Yeah, I've only seen you on like social media, but your content is always really fun. So I was like, oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Okay. Next. Feel the diet tips. I don't think you needed to be diet.
I don't diet. I literally had a Cuban sandwich for lunch today, which was like meat and pickles and cheese and.
You are just so blessed.
I think everything in moderation. You should. I mean, I eat vegetables when I have to.
Force yourself to eat vegetables.
No, yeah, I'll go to a restaurant and I'll have like something super unhealthy and they'll be like a side of spinach, please. I love you guys so much.
I love you so much.
Yeah. How do you say I love you in Indonesian?
Aku cinta kamu. Aku cinta kamu. From Anastasia Ellen. What is the hardest part being a model?
The hardest part about being a model, I think, is, I mean, honestly, like sometimes you can meet like photographers that are really mean or stylists that are really mean, you know, and it's hard, like sometimes it can hurt your self-esteem, you know, if someone's like, oh, like you're too. I had okay, in one day I had 2 castings. The first casting told me that I was too big, had to lose weight, and then the second casting said, oh, you're too skinny for us. And I was like,
what do you want?
I was like, it makes no sense, you know. But if you let those comments like get into your brain, then I feel like you're gonna be very sad about how you look and how you.
Yeah, it makes you feel insecure.
Yeah,
like it's affecting your mentality, like your mental health as well.
And I feel like since I'm older, I can like not take it so personally. I can like brush it off, but it's still hard, you know. I mean, I think if I was like 18 and someone told me to go lose weight, I'd be like, oh my god, I'm so fat. You know, that's not true, and that's not nice.
Yeah. Okay, I think there's a good advice for all of you. If you want to be a model, or like if your parents watching this, parents, you should be more hard to your kids. Because the reality check is really hard, you know.
Yeah.
Right? I think like I must say, because of my mom, is very hard to me. So when I go to channels, I'm like, okay, like I get scolded. I'm like, okay, because I'm so used to get scolded, get punishment from my mom. So I'm like, this is nothing, you know.
Actually, my mom will always like say things to bring me down. She said, I'm just making you tough.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You know, our moms, like Asian parents.
Tough Asian mom.
Yeah, tough Asian moms. Okay.
Actually, Jesslyn introduced me to Indomie on the show.
Right! Because I introduced in my season 2.
Oh, really?
Yeah, ever since that, every time I fly to meet other friends, I always bring the instant noodle and the sambal.
Yes. And so like Jesslyn, on like the first night, she like cooked a lot of Indomie for all of us,
yeah,
and I
yeah,
was
yeah.
like, oh my god, it's so good.
Any advice for aspiring models who are just starting their career?
Oh, I feel like just, you know, believe in yourself, which I know is like very like blah advice, but like honestly, it's an industry where you have to show people like, I am a badass. Like you need to walk in and be like, you should hire me because look at this. Yeah, so just
Be confident.
Be confident always. You know, I mean, I started doing some modeling when I was like 15, and I had people like saying no to me all the time. But I was like, okay, fine, I'll be back.
Okay. So be ready with the rejection, guys.
Yeah.
Like rejection is like your food.
Yes.
So
yes.
eat it. And
let
crave
it fuel you.
Crave it again,
yes.
you know?
Yeah.
Alright, so who is your role models in modeling or in life?
Well, for modeling, I really love like, you know, the 90s supermodels, like Shalom Harlow. I feel like when you look at like 90s fashion shows and stuff, like they're so crazy and so fun. Like I feel like now they're like, oh, like walk fast, no hips, no pose, nothing like that. But then you watch old shows and they can't
like,
she's like, and then she flips her, oh my god. I feel like if I flip my hair at a show now, the designer would be like
chill.
Yeah, like no. So I love like that era of supermodels. And I feel like my role model in life would be like my mom.
Okay.
You know, my mom's done a lot of things. My mom actually did like Miss World.
Wow.
Pageant girls are tough, you know? Like,
yeah.
So she did Miss World, and she grew up with 6 brothers, so she's extra tough. She can do anything.
Wow, she's tomboy and
Yeah.
boyish for sure.
Yeah, and a beauty queen. She's a tomboy beauty queen. Which is
Yeah,
amazing.
go girl.
Yeah.
Hello. Anyway.
Have you ever done pageants?
Yeah.
Oh my,
I love pageants.
I have so much respect for pageant girls because it's so hard, I think.
Yes.
So much like preparation, and you have to be like perfect, and oh my god,
I have a lot of respect for them too.
Yeah.
Do you even think to join? Or like even your mom like, hey Dana, why don't you back to Thailand and represent Thailand?
I think about it sometimes actually because I feel like I've had a couple friends like do Miss Universe, so like Amanda is the current Miss Universe Thailand.
I love her. Please
She's
tell her I
amazing.
love Amanda. Please.
Oh, she's amazing, and her walk is so good.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
looked beautiful. I don't know why
that's
she wasn't
amazing.
in the top 5.
I know, right?
I have questions.
Me too. Like I love her.
Yeah.
Like,
And Maria as well. It was a few years ago. Watching my friends do pageants, I found that very inspiring because like, I don't know, I feel like sometimes people think pageants is just like not, like you just do it to look pretty, but I feel like my friends have actually like done a lot for their countries, for their community, and I feel like that's very, you know, it makes me feel like inspired.
Yeah.
I actually like, I start crying when I think about like helping the community and people. I don't know, it's, I think it's what they've done is great, and sometimes I do think that, you know, it'd be a great thing to get into. But I think I'm too old now. Yeah, I'm too old for it. Yeah. She looks young, but she's too old.
Oh wait, Amanda?
She turned 27 this year, I think. So like, I think I can join. You can join before 28, so I could join right now.
Why don't you go back? Hello, Thailand, Dana is coming back.
I just cancel New York now. I'm gonna go to New Zealand.
Yeah, why not? It might be easier for you to join acting after that. Maybe.
Oh, I don't know, maybe.
Right? Like.
What do you guys think I should do Miss Universe?
Okay, guys, please comment down below. Do you think Dana should join Miss Universe Thailand? Please comment down below or DM war her.
Yeah.
DM war, please. Okay, that's a good one. Next, and the fact that now you are part of the new reality show. It is Supermodel Me. And you
Supermodel You.
Oh, yeah. Wow. And so you are the guest judge, right? Or
I'm a taskmaster.
a taskmaster? Can you explain what is taskmaster do?
So basically, Monica's a taskmaster as well, and we're just there to, tell the girls what their challenges are and kind of motivate them to go through the challenges and throughout the competition. So we're there for advice and everything.
Oh wow.
Go through it.
So how is it the experience? Like 3 years ago you were the contestant.
I know.
And then now you're like looking at them like you were there.
I know. It was so weird. Seeing all of them for the first time. Like I could see in their eyes. Like I remember what I felt like the first day because you don't know what's happening. You just kind of look around like, oh my god. I mean, I was kind of nervous too, because like Monica's done like hosting before and things like that. This is my first time doing anything like that, so I was kind of nervous too. But then, not as nervous as the girl because they have to do the photo shoots and everything.
Yes.
But it was nice to like watch other girls go on that journey as well because it made me remember like going through that time and the friends that I made on Asia's Next Top Model and like. Yeah, it just reminded me like all the things I've gone through to be here in New York.
Yeah. And how is it the feeling when you work with Yutsai and Cindy? Is you know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
They were our mentor, and then now you guys are like
working together.
and working together. Like one, it's like one level up.
I know.
Same level.
I feel like Yusai is definitely less scary when you're working, like I remember when I was a contestant, he was very like, no, like change the pose, it's not working, what are you doing, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
When, I'm on Supermodelme Me, I'm a taskmaster, he's a judge, and when I got to set, he was like, Dana, hi, hello, like he's super sweet, I love him. And Cindy's such a sweetheart, actually.
I love her. I love her.
I know. She's always so sweet. Like when I see her, she always seems like.
Yeah.
But I mean, I'm still always just like amazed by her because
I do.
She like when she presents, it's
like like she only read like all very serious and then like okay, camera on.
Yes.
Put the paper. I'm like, nah. One take, okay. I'm like, wow.
Yeah. And she could do it again. Different feeling, different pose, different camera.
Perfecto. That's why Cindy and Yutsai is like, ever since Asia's Next Top Model Cycle 4, like
they're very good at what they do. I think they're the best judges, honestly.
So what can we expect from this new show?
Oh, what can I say without getting in trouble? Honestly, I think that these girls really push themselves like even harder than we did. Like I was watching the challenges that they had to do and I was like, wow, like
this is like more than the top model, the challenges.
Yeah. These are some tough girls, really tough girls. And I'm not gonna say anything. I'm so worried I'm gonna get in trouble. Karen's gonna beat my ass.
Oh wow, okay, sorry. Okay, do you wanna spill anything like, like...
Let me think.
Like spill something but it's still safe.
A safe spill.
A safe spill. So I will not get banished by Karen.
Oh my god. Or any of the producers.
Yes.
I wanted to post like a behind the scenes photo the other day and I messaged them. I was like, can I post this? And they were like, no!
Yeah, probably later than that.
I know.
Later.
I'm so excited though.
Yeah.
They're gonna reveal the cast soon. So I'm like, when are you gonna post this? Will it be after they reveal the cast?
Probably after.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of all the girls, honestly.
Yeah,
They went through a lot. A lot. And actually, there's one girl who had a very similar experience to me. So like when I was on Asia's Next Top Model, like towards the end, I don't know if it was stress or something, but my skin went crazy. Like I had so many breakouts.
Yeah.
And a girl in Supermodelme Me like went through the same thing. She arrived for the show like perfect skin, and then when the show started, it's just stressful, and you wear lots of makeup and you're stressed and you sweat and everything. It's not good for your skin, and she went through the same thing, and I tried to give her some advice about it because it was really hard for me. Especially because, you know, people online can be so mean sometimes. So like when my skin wasn't that good and then I was in the top 3, people were like, ah, she's so ugly, she doesn't deserve to be in the top 3. And like, it was really hard, like, it was really hard for me. Because when your skin is bad, you feel insecure. Like, you feel stupid because it's just a pimple, but I felt so bad about it.
I mean, like, the followers always want us to be perfect.
Yeah.
Right? But they, you know, we're still human. Hello, we're still human.
I remember I posted a photo, like, I think I was just in like sweatpants, a hoodie or something, and someone commented being like, ugh, she's not a model, she dresses like homeless person.
We are human people.
I was like, I'm just going grocery shopping. Why do I have to wear heels in the dress?
Yeah, we're model. We're not like a diva / celebrity. Even like diva and celebrity, like, you know, singer.
I'm not
like
Mariah
human.
Carey. I wish, but I'm not.
Anyways, what is your next goal after this?
I really love to start a movie.
Amen, everybody. Amen for Dana.
Yes, we have to manifest it.
Yeah, we have to manifest that, you know, law of attraction.
Yes.
Anyways, thank you so much, Dana, for giving us time to share everything. And I hope you all the best.
Yeah,
you
same
know?
with you.
Especially for your acting, you know.
I'll invite you to the premiere.
Oh yeah, please do, Dana. And also for the Miss Universe Thailand, comment down below, everybody, because this is like very tight schedule, whether she have to go back to Thailand or not to join the competition. And the third one, I hope you get the good life partner. Oh la la! Yeah, good. Okay. Anyway, do you want to say something to your followers?
Just thank you so much for writing in questions. Like, I feel like, you know, I'll just be like working and I forget like how lovely the fans from the show can be, you know, and then to like reconnect with everyone in a Q&A or a live stream, it's like, you guys really are the best. Like, you make the show. Without you guys, I mean, like, we're just 2 girls sitting in a hotel room.
Yes, I know. So thank you so much for all the supports, everybody. So please do. Only love, no hate. Especially this upcoming new reality show, Supermodelme Me. You know, there must be a drama, there must be a lot of things going on, the challenge, blah 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 blah. But please remember, all the models is also human. And then like the fact that they are gonna be the next superstar. Or like in probably public figure or something like that.
And before you criticize what they've done on their you know, challenges, ask yourself, could you do better? If you don't like their photo, do you think that your photo would be better? Ask yourself. Anyways, thank you so much. Bye.